What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy icecoldjt, back with another video. You read the title. We got a full body workout at home, no equipment needed. Let's not waste any time, man. Are you guys ready? Come on, let's get it. So the first thing you guys want to do before any workout is to warm up. You got to get that blood flowing throughout the entire body, even the toes. Some things that I like to do is simply jumping up and down, swinging my body left and right. Gotta roll out them shoulders too. Don't get it twisted. Don't forget about the shoulders. Real crucial. But with that being said, let's hit some jumping jacks. 25 reps. Let's get it. So at this point, your heart rate should be pumping. And now it's time to stretch out. So as you were doing earlier, roll out them shoulders. If you have a resistance band at home, go ahead and use it. You guys already know what time it is. Stretch out every part of your body. So you got the upper body down. Gotta stretch out those legs. Hit them quads. Get down on the floor in a squat position and stretch them legs. So the first workout we got are regular push-ups. Make sure to do these push-ups slow, especially on the way down. You know what I'm saying? Get that chest to the ground, boom, now shoot back up. And of course, you want to hit that 90-degree angle, military style. And for this workout, try to aim for 15 reps. If you can't do 15, try to hit 10. If you can't do 10, try to hit 5. And if 15 is too little, all right, go for 20, maybe go for 25. Do what works for you. Next up, we got jump squats. Because remember, this is a full body workout, so you gotta hit them legs. Make sure to jump and try to get that ass to the ground. Pause. We're going for 25 reps over here, man. Let's get it. Right after hitting those jump squats, you want to immediately superset with calf raises. You can't miss out on the calves, because as you guys can see in the video, bro, my calves are looking pretty small. They're looking like a little egg yolk. I'm not gonna cap. But for this workout, you just want to make sure you're always on your tippy toes. Try to get your heel close to the ground, but you don't necessarily need to touch the ground. Aim for 25 reps, and if you could do more, hey, go hit some more, because it's all about just feeling the burn. Now we're moving on to the best back workout in the world. If you don't have a pull-up bar at home, don't worry, the next workout, I got you. But for those of you that do have a pull-up bar, make sure to hit them. Try to get that chin above the bar. Don't swing too much. Okay, we're not at the playground, don't be swinging. And as always, just feel the burn. Now we got snow angels. this is a substitute for pull-ups. If you don't got a pull-up bar, congratulations. This workout right here is specifically for you. So you want to lay down on your stomach on the ground. Make sure to get your legs and feet off the ground. Get your hands up and literally make a snow angel and flex your back the entire time. Next up, we got pike push-ups. Now these push-ups primarily work out the shoulders. So what you want to do is point your booty up to the sky, make sure your legs are straight, your knees are not bent, and yeah, you're basically doing a push-up. Get your face real close to the ground, but you don't need it, you don't need to kiss the ground. Just get your face close to the ground. As you guys can see from the video, I'm struggling. This is a tough workout, so do as many reps as you can. So next up, we got lunges and squats with a 3-second hold. So what you guys want to do is do a lunge for each leg, and then right after that, you want to do a squat. And once you hit the bottom, you gotta hold that for 3 seconds. Then come back up and repeat for 10 reps. Now we're moving on to diamond push-ups. Just like the regular push-ups, you want to hit these real slow, especially on the way down. This is extremely crucial to building muscle. Diamond push-ups, in my opinion, are the best tricep workout you can do with no equipment. After hitting those diamond push-ups, you want to superset with bicep curls. Now this is where you could get creative. Find anything in your house that's low-key heavy. For me, I'm using a backpack and I put some water gallons in my backpack. If you got pillowcases, and you can stuff the pillowcases with some random items and start lifting it. Maybe lift some gallons of water. If you got a big dog at home, why not pick up that dog and curl it? No excuses out here. Find anything that you got in your house to curl, and that's how you hit the biceps. And last but not least, you gotta hit the abs every day. If you wanna get a chiseled, nice, sexy six-pack, pause. You gotta hit abs every day. We're aiming for 15 reps. Try to make your legs as straight as possible. I know my legs are not that straight, but hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do. Lift your legs towards you and bring it back down, but try not to hit your legs to the ground. Try to keep it a few inches off the ground. And just like any other workout, you wanna hit these leg raises slow. Not fast with momentum, but slow. For the final superset, you gotta hit bicycles. Get that elbow to the opposite knee. You guys already know how it is. And we're aiming for 20 reps. And each rep means hitting both legs. To finish off this workout, we gotta hit some burpees. I know you may be sweating, you may be tired, but let's do it, man. No excuses, 10 reps, let's get it. I hope you guys enjoyed that full body workout. And I know some of you guys may be asking, how many sets should I do? How long should I rest? Now, me personally, I recommend you guys to do this workout 4 times. And you could just rewatch the whole video 4 times and do it like that. Or you could repeat each individual workout 4 times. For example, if you do the push-ups for 15 reps, you could do 15 reps, rest for 2 minutes, hit another 15 reps, rest for 2 minutes, hit another set, boom, now you're done with the regular push-ups and move on to the next workout. You can do it like that. Or you could simply follow along the video, do each workout, and then repeat it 3 more times. So basically you're rewatching the video 4 times total. And that's the reason why I did not speed anything up in the video, so that you guys can follow along in real time. But don't get it twisted. I know a lot of you guys may not be able to do that many reps, or maybe it's too easy for you and you could do more. So that's why I always recommend to work out at your own pace. If 4 sets is too little, maybe do 5 sets. If resting for 2 minutes between each set is too little, go rest for 1 minute. If it's too much, rest for 3 minutes. Find what works for you and do that. But with that being said, you guys already know the drill. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and stay wealthy. Because it's your boy, ICEcoldjt, signing out. And Merry Christmas.